Hi, my name is Sarah Jameson, and I'm a junior here at Wheaton. I hope to become an occupational therapist, but since being a student here, I've also become really interested in public and community health, which is why I chose to be a medical casework intern at World Relief DuPage, located just down the road on Pennsylvania Avenue. My site supervisor there was Emery Weinstein, the medical caseworker. And I chose this internship because, like I said, I've become really interested in public and community health, especially in reference to minorities, and I knew that working with refugees would be a great way to get some exposure to this field. Some of the major tasks that I was responsible for as an intern were assisting in transporting the refugees to and from their medical appointments, providing them with medical orientation and clarifying doctor instructions, advocating for refugees in the various clinical settings that I was in, and really just building relationships with them to the best of my ability just to make them comfortable in America and in our convoluted healthcare system. These tasks were definitely helpful in my overall growth as a person. They were challenging. One of the challenges was driving and learning my way around the Chicago area. Another was dealing with the stress and anxiety of having a lot of responsibility over people and their health. But overall, the central benefits were really just the professional competence that I gained and also the awareness that I have now of the refugee population in Wheaton. It's very rich. If I were to do this again, I would better mentally prepare myself for the level of responsibility that I had. I only shadowed Emery a handful of times before I was on my own, and it was overwhelming at first to have 4 or 5 refugees in the back of the car that I was responsible for. So I would have better prepared myself for that. I would rate this internship as average. Sometimes it felt like the things I was doing were more of a checklist instead of me working alongside the refugees, trying to cater to their needs. So in that aspect, it lacked the relational side of healthcare that I know I'm looking for and a lot of other AHS students are looking for in their internships and their careers. But it was definitely a beneficial experience, and I'm really thankful for the exposure that I had to the refugees here, and I feel connected to that community, which is really special. So, thank you.